Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If it is your first time reaching us, please subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos. We always talk about different money-making skills. Today we are going to talk about faceless market and how to make money with it. Faceless marketing refers to marketing strategies that don't rely heavily on personal branding or individual personalities. Instead, they focus on promoting products or services without prominently featuring specific individuals or personalities associated with the brand. This approach can be useful for companies that want to maintain a consistent image regardless of changes in personnel, or for brands that want to appeal to a broader audience without relying on a single figurehead. Making money with faceless marketing involves several strategies. 1. Product focus. Understand your target audience's pain points and needs. Conduct market research to identify what problems your products or services can solve for them. Highlight the unique features and benefits of your offerings. Clearly communicate how they address the specific needs or desires of your audience. Use compelling storytelling to illustrate how your products or services can make a positive impact on customers' lives. Focus on the transformation or improvement they can experience by using your offerings. 2. Quality content. Asterisk. Invest in creating valuable content that resonates with your audience. This could include educational articles, entertaining videos, informative podcasts, or engaging social media posts. Tailor your content to address the interests and preferences of your target demographic. Research trending topics and keywords in your industry to ensure relevance and visibility. Consistently publish new content to maintain audience engagement and attract new followers. Experiment with different formats and distribution channels to reach a wider audience. 3. Consistent branding. Asterisk. Develop a cohesive brand identity that reflects your company's values, mission, and personality. This includes elements such as logo design, color palette, typography, and brand voice. Ensure consistency across all marketing touchpoints, including your website, social media profiles, advertising campaigns, packaging, and customer communications. Establish brand guidelines to maintain uniformity and coherence in visual and verbal messaging. Train employees and stakeholders to uphold these guidelines in their interactions with customers and the public. 4. Customer engagement. Build a sense of community around your brand by actively engaging with your audience on social media platforms, forums, and other online channels. Encourage user-generated content by hosting contests, challenges, or campaigns that invite customers to share their experiences with your products or services. Provide exceptional customer support through multiple channels, including email, live chat, phone, and social media. Address customer inquiries, complaints, and feedback promptly and courteously. 5. Data-driven decisions. Asterisk. Collect and analyze relevant data to gain insights into your audience's behavior, preferences, and purchasing patterns. Use tools such as Google Analytics, social media analytics, and customer relationship management (CRM) software to track key metrics. Test different marketing strategies, messaging, and promotional tactics to identify what resonates most with your audience. A/B testing, split testing, and multivariate testing can help optimize your campaigns for better results. Use data to personalize the customer experience and tailor your marketing efforts to individual preferences. Segment your audience based on demographics, interests, and past interactions to deliver targeted content and offers. 6. Partnerships and collaborations. Asterisk. Identify potential partners who share your target audience or complement your products or services. This could include other businesses, influencers, industry associations, or nonprofits. Reach out to potential partners with a clear value proposition and collaboration proposal. Highlight how working together can benefit both parties and provide mutual value to your shared audience. 7. Scalable business model. Asterisk. Design your business operations and infrastructure with scalability in mind. Invest in technology, automation, and streamlined processes to support growth and expansion. By implementing these strategies effectively, you can maximize the monetization potential of your faceless marketing efforts and build a sustainable and profitable business over time. If you have any questions concerning any point, just comment below. We will answer you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Please like this video to make more people see it and let them get this knowledge. Bye, and see you in next video.